Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a quick walk around and look at this brand new 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. This Wrangler is an Anvil clear coat, has the black cloth interior. It's powered by a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine with a 5-speed automatic transmission. It does have the black Freedom 3-piece hardtop, remote keyless entry, 17-inch aluminum wheels with Goodyear Wrangler SRA tires. Let's go and take a look at the interior. Alright, so inside we have power heated mirrors, windows and door locks, leather wrap steering wheel, tilt wheel. Also has audio controls on the reverse side. This vehicle does have the connectivity group with Uconnect Bluetooth. Alright, so panning through the interior, just show a little bit more detail. Uconnect controls on the steering wheel, as well as trip computer and cruise control. The vehicle does have the premium Alpine audio system. The Uconnect 430 touchscreen display. Power window switches are in between the air vents. The vehicle does have air conditioning. Power mirror switch. We've also got stability control and hill descent control. 12-volt power point. Automatic transmission with auto stick feature. To upshift, you tap to the right. To downshift, you tap to the left. To put it back in drive, you just press and hold. On the plus side, you have illuminated cup holders. Nice storage bin. And standard on every Jeep Wrangler with a hardtop, you have the hardtop removal kit. Alright, taking a look at the rear seat. Does seat 3 across, 60-40 split bench. Power window switches are on the console, as well as the cup holders, and they are illuminated. To fold the seat is easy. Just locate the plastic tab on the top of the seat back, lift up and pull forward. Alright, taking a look at the luggage area. Nice and flat. Does have the subwoofer mounted on the floor. Does have the Jeep slush mats. 12-volt power point. And here, you got door hinge bolt storage and roof bolt storage. Alright, this does conclude our quick walk around look at this brand new 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. If you have any questions or would like to see this vehicle, please contact our showroom. One of our friendly sales staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. And as always, thanks for watching.